very much. All right, let's hear it for that guy. Let's bring up for Taylor Holden over there. I know she's hiding, but... And of course, one last time for Mountain the Wolf. Now, I know a lot of you are fans, but for all of you who have just become fans, you can find out more information on the band at mountainthewolves.com. They've also got vinyl and CDs of their album and a single available in the merch tent. I think they're hanging out there. You guys signing over there? No. Yeah, they'll be signing over there, so go on over, meet the band, buy their album, get it signed. Once again, this is the last show. What better way to end the day today on the North Stage? We hope to see you all over at the main stage. We've got an amazing closing show, closing ceremonies tonight. On behalf of everybody at Home County, we just want to thank you for supporting this festival. Really, this is about you, the bands, everybody that we bring here. Really appreciate the effort, the energy, and the support that you give to them. So, on behalf of everyone at Home County, on all the bands, the board, thank you very much, and have a great rest of the day.